Hey Gadgetverse family! Today we're exploring a sleek and powerful portable monitor perfect for creatives, professionals, and on-the-go tech lovers, the ViewSonic VP16-OLED, a 15.6-inch 1080p portable OLED display that's making waves in 2025. This compact monitor packs a punch with its OLED panel, delivering stunning true blacks, vibrant colors, and wide viewing angles thanks to OLED's inherent contrast and color accuracy. With a 1080p Full HD resolution, it ensures crisp and clear images that are perfect for photo editing, design work, or streaming your favorite content anywhere you go. What sets the VP16 OLED apart is its Pantone validation and factory calibration, which guarantees precise and accurate colors straight out of the box. Creatives who rely on color fidelity will love this feature, as it means no additional calibration hassle is needed. Portability is king here. The monitor features a built-in ergonomic stand with adjustable angles and a protective cover, making it easy to use on desks, coffee tables, or even while traveling. The lightweight design combined with powerful features means you can bring a professional-grade display wherever your work or entertainment takes you. It comes with dual 40W USB-C ports that provide both power and video input, offering versatile connectivity for laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Whether you're connecting to a MacBook, Windows laptop, or mobile device, the USB-C compatibility makes setup fast and cable clutter minimal. This monitor is perfect for remote work, creative workflows, gaming on the go, or simply extending your screen space without sacrificing color quality and portability. The sleek black finish and compact design also make it a stylish addition to any setup. If you want a high-quality OLED portable monitor with excellent color accuracy, solid audio, and professional features, the ViewSonic VP16 OLED is a top contender for 2025. Check the description below for the latest price and link. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and ring the bell for more cutting-edge tech reviews. See you next time.